Good evening to all of you. Today news reading. Congress declares Delhi candidates Kanhaiya to face BJP's Manoj Tiwari. Ex-MPs Udit Raj and JP Agrawal fielded from North West Delhi and Chandni Chowk respectively. Remaining 4 Lok Sabha seats in the capital to be contested by Congress India Bloc partner Aam Aadmi Party. New Delhi. The Congress on Sunday declared its candidates for the 3 Lok Sabha seats it is contesting in the national capital, fielding its youth leader Kanhaiya Kumar from the North East constituency against BJP's Manoj Tiwari. The other two candidates are former Lok Sabha members JP Agrawal and Udit Raj, who will be contesting from Chandni Chowk and North West Delhi respectively. The Congress is contesting the general election in the capital in alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party, its India Bloc partner. According to a seat-sharing pact between the two parties, Aam Aadmi Party will be contesting 4 of the 7 seats in Delhi, leaving the rest for the Congress. The voting in the capital is scheduled for May 25. Mr. Kumar is a former Jawaharlal Nehru University Students Union President and currently the All India Congress Committee AICC in charge for the National Students Union of India NSUI. The student wing of the Congress, Mr. Kumar had unsuccessfully contested the 2019 Lok Sabha election on a Communist Party of India CPI ticket from Begusarai, Bihar. He has been pitted against Mr. Tiwari, the only Delhi MP the BJP has retained. This time the BJP has fielded fresh faces for other 6 seats. The North East Delhi seat has a strong Purvanchali base comprising voters originating from eastern UP and Bihar. Mr. Raj had won the North West Delhi seat on a BJP ticket in the 2014 Lok Sabha election and joined the Congress in 2019 after he was detained a ticket by the BJP, who had fielded singer Hans Raj Hans for the seat. While leaving the BJP, he had accused it of being anti-Dalit. He has been accused actively working for the Delhi Congress under the leadership of its chief Arvinder Singh Lavli. Mr. Raj will be up against Yogendra Chandolia of the BJP. Veteran Congress leader JP Agrawal has won the Chandni Chowk seat thrice and the North East India seat once in the past. In the 2019 Lok Sabha, he stood from Chandni Chowk but lost in the 2014 poll. He faced defeated from the North East Delhi seat. Mr. Agrawal will be up against Parveen Kandalwal of the BJP.